Hello, my name is Charles. And today I am going to tell you everything you need to know about Joint Restore before you actually buy the product. I also have two really important warnings for you to pay attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about Joint Restore is: be careful about the website you are going to buy from, because Joint Restore is only sold on the official website. There are many links on the internet selling counterfeit products. Joint Restore will always be sold only on the official site. To help you, I have left the link to the official site below in the description of this video. So what is Joint Restore and does it really work? And the answer is yes. Joint Restore does work. And after much lab testing, researchers have identified that Joint Restore is a clinically proven complete formula for knee pain relief and restoration. So yes, you can trust Joint Restore. There are already many people showing great results with Joint Restore, and you can have results too. However, you need to keep in mind that each person will react in a unique way. This is a bit obvious, but I am saying this so that you will be realistic about your treatment and your expectations. There is something really important about this product that you need to know before you buy it. Joint Restore is one of the most advanced supplements available today. In fact, the company is so convinced that Joint Restore will rebuild your knees and joints from the inside out, that they are willing to back each bottle with an ironclad guarantee. Do you suffer from constant joint pain? Now you can not only stop the pain, you can renew your articulations with Joint Restore. In short, if Joint Restore doesn't exceed your expectations in reducing knee pain, feeling an increase in energy, an improvement in walking, even running again, then you don't pay a cent. Send back any unused bottles of Joint Restore within 10 years, that's right, you heard, 10-year warranty, and the customer service team will issue a full and immediate refund of your money. No questions asked. Also, for Joint Restore to work, you need to take the treatment seriously. Experts recommend that you give yourself at least 60 days to experience the full benefits. Taking 2 gummies a day. It is also very important for you to know that Joint Restore has no side effects, as it is made with 100% natural ingredients. If you want to have smooth and pain-free knees, you need Joint Restore. So, I wanted to record this video, first to tell you to be careful about the website where you will buy Joint Restore. And also, if you buy the product, do the exact treatment, take it seriously. I really hope that this video has helped you, and I also hope that Joint Restore really helps you to improve your skin, and many other benefits that this product promotes. Thanks for watching the video so far. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and leave your like, to help us deliver this informative content to people who also have an interest about Joint Restore. And if you have any questions, just leave them in the comments and I'll be available to help you. Bye.